Eric with Wolfman here to talk about our Expedition Dry Duffel series. The Expedition Dry Duffel come in 3 sizes and 2 colors. The colors, yellow and black, and all black. The sizes, small, medium, and large. The capacities of each bag, the small is 33 liters, the medium is 40, and the large is a whopping 47 liters. The dimensions of the small, 20 inches wide, 24 inches wide, and 28 inches wide. They all carry the same front and back dimension of 11.5 inches. Now they all share common features. 2 end compression straps, 2 top compression straps right next to the handle, and D-ring patches front and back with multiple D-rings for attaching all kinds of things to the bags. These are all radio frequency welded, or RF welded as it's known, and they're made in USA. Here we have a tent, poles, sleeping bag, and pad, and here a really cool visual aid of a clear, medium-sized Expedition Dry Duffel. What I like to do is take my tent poles, put them in first, in the bottom, so it gives almost a foundation for the bag. Now I'll take my tent, put it in, pad, and sleeping bag. A couple things as I packed it. One thing I like to do is I like to put everything in width first and then go up. Also, another tip is take all your soft items and put them towards your back, especially if you have a passenger, they don't want to get poked or anything. I'm going to put 3 rolls. I'm going to show you something. So here's 1, 2, 3. So that gives you an idea of how much space you have left in the bag. So we're going to bleed it a little bit. Just push down, it takes a little bit for the air to go out. Seal the sides with side compression to the top. Wrap the handle. And there you have it. So when you put it on a bike, you can put it on one of 2 ways. You can put it on widthwise, or sometimes you can go lengthwise. One tip to make sure your rack is clean. You don't want any rocks or anything to abrade and put a hole in the bottom of your duffel. Also, when you put hard items, make sure they're padded. If you're going to put tools and stuff in the bottom of a duffel, make sure they're in a tool roll or something so that the hard edges don't poke through and wear a hole in your bag. And so for more information about our Wolfman Expedition Dry Duffels, please check us out online at wolfmanluggage.com.